Teryl.
Hi, Cathie.
We are now in week 2 of level 3 of lockdown, which means that many of our client companies are opening their doors again. Of course, we've had our doors open the whole way through lockdown, but we've been working from home and now we're transitioning back into the office. Can you perhaps give people a sense of what we've actually done? Because we've made a decision also not to just send everybody back into the office straight away.
You know, I think, Cathie, one of the things that you were very strong on was listening to what the government is recommending, and that we don't send everybody just automatically back to the office because things are now open. So we've put together a hybrid solution. We've put together our compliance documents. And I think that one of the things that we've talked about a lot is it's not that simple for some people. Some people have got young children. Some people's children aren't in either grade 7 or grade 12, and so they aren't going back to school straight away. People don't want caregivers coming into their homes now. I think people are very nervous about opening up their homes. So parents who both work have to share the responsibility of the caregiving. And I think companies need to be told that by the parents, so that there can be a way of working that works for both the company and the employee. At the end of the day, I think, Cathie, one of the things we've talked about the most is that everything needs to be out in the open and transparent, because we as a business have to be in business. We have to be able to generate income so that we can pay our people. And to do that, we need our people working again, but we need to find a way that works for them and the company. I think that's probably the most critical thing.
So for us, having those open conversations, and I know you've been having meetings yourself with everybody, just to make sure that we all have a rounded picture of what is actually required before we jump in boots and all and make decisions.
Yes, Cathie, I think that sums it up very nicely. I think it's really around open communication at all times. These are times that nobody had anticipated. And so you can't do things the way you always did them. You have to look at different ways of doing things. We also can't say just because it's a change, it's a better way of doing things. We need to be looking and saying, what is the best solution for the company, for the individual, and for the staff in general. So it's a three-way conversation, I think, as well as for your clients and for all your stakeholders.